Disclaimer. This is not an unboxing video, this is a feature review. I will go through the features. My videos are short, and reviews are crisp, to the point, filled with quality and complete information. Don't forget to subscribe. So without much delay, let's get started. This device in the Galaxy M series is going to be a battery monster. Loaded with 6000 mAh battery to juice it up, it is the key highlight of Galaxy M31s. The Galaxy M31s has many attractive features, such as Sony IMX682, 64-megapixel main camera, faster charging capabilities, and a huge battery. Samsung Galaxy M31s is tipped to feature a 6.5-inch display, Exynos 9611 chipset, and 64MP plus 12MP plus 5MP plus 5MP rear cameras. Samsung Galaxy M31s will come with a AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery and 25 watts fast charging. The Galaxy M31s has security features, such as Face Unlock, and a side-facing fingerprint reader. The handset's battery comes with model number, EBBM317AB, and has a capacity of 6000 mAh. The phone's battery has now appeared on TÜV Rheinland certification. It managed to score 347 in the single-core test, and 1256 in the multi-core Geekbench tests. The 10nm Exynos 9611, with clocking speeds of up to 2.3 GHz powers the Galaxy M31s. The SoC of the M31s is assisted by 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The handset comes with a native storage of 128GB. There is a dedicated microSD card slot on board, for expanding its storage. The Android 10 OS along with One UI 2.1 skin comes preloaded on the smartphone. The display notch has been replaced by a punch hole on the screen. The display supports Full HD Plus resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, 78,960:1 contrast ratio, and peak brightness of 420 nits. The phone offers a screen space of 91%. In comparison, the Galaxy M31 had come with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with water drop notch. The camera setup on the device is also similar to the M31, but the main sensor is different, and there is a bump up in MP count on the ultra-wide camera. The handset's key specifications have been revealed via Amazon teasers and is set to bring noteworthy upgrades such as an Infinity OS AMOLED display, faster 25 watts charging support, and possibly an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. The Samsung Galaxy M31s will retain the 64MP quad camera setup in a rectangular camera module, and the massive 6000 mAh height battery capacity. The Samsung Galaxy M31s is said to sport a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display, with 407p pixel density, and a center position punch hole cutout. The handset runs Android 10 OS with One UI custom layer on top. The main sensor that is dubbed as IntelliCam offers an enhanced photography experience through the single take that lets users to capture up to 7 photos and 3 videos in one take. The other photography features available on the Galaxy M31s include the ability to switch between front and rear cameras while video shooting, night hyperlapse for better photography in low light conditions, our Doodle Arkansas emoji, 4K video recording. Other camera features include smart selfie angle, night hyperlapse, and the ability to create your own filters. The Samsung Galaxy M31s will be available on Amazon India and Samsung.com in Mirage Black and Mirage Blue colors. The 6GB plus 128GB variant will cost you 19,499 rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB variant will cost you 21,499 rupees. Sales begin on August 6, 2020. As for the optics, the Samsung Galaxy M31s will come with a 64MP primary sensor that could be accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5MP depth sensor, and a 5MP macro lens. The Galaxy M31s retail box includes a 25 watts fast charger, and a USB-C to USB-C cable that can be used for charging other devices with USB-C port. The handset houses a behemoth battery of 6,000 mAh capacity. The 25 watts charger can completely charge the IT in 97 minutes, claims the company. Connectivity features could include 4G LTE, dual SIM, Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, and GPS. There are few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also, don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off.